If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Apex Legends, there are a few steps you can take to potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to increase your chances of maintaining a stable connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can run a speed test to verify your download and upload speeds. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Change server region. In the game settings, navigate to the server region option and select a different server that is closer to your geographical location. This can help reduce latency and improve connection stability. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS if available. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic, which can help reduce lag and timeout issues. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running on your device that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could interfere with your gaming experience. Step 5. Reinstall Apex Legends. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing connection issues. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection stability in Apex Legends. If problems continue, consider reaching out to your internet service provider or checking for updates from the game developers.